Here's some Donner Party trivia. Subscribe. What year did the Donner Party begin their journey? Is it A, 1848, B, 1850, C, 1835, or D, 1846? The correct answer is D, 1846. Which mountain range did the Donner Party get trapped in? Is it A, Appalachian Mountains, B, Rocky Mountains, C, Sierra Nevada, or D, Cascade Range? The correct answer is C, Sierra Nevada. What was the original destination of the party? Is it A, Florida, B, New York, C, Texas, or D, California? The correct answer is D, California. Who was elected as the leader of the party? Is it A, Mark Taylor, B, Alice Green, C, John Smith, or D, George Donner? The correct answer is D, George Donner. Name the leader of a rival party who provided supplies. Is it A, John Smith, B, Sarah Davis, C, Charles Brown, or D, James Reed? The correct answer is D, James Reed. How many people originally made up the Donner Party? Is it A, 50, B, 100, C, 87, or D, 75? The correct answer is C, 87. What was the name of the place where they wintered? Is it A, Lake Tahoe, B, Mono Lake, C, Donner Lake, or D, Tule Lake? The correct answer is C, Donner Lake. Which member of the party famously died first? Is it A, Sarah Graves, B, Jacob Donner, C, Charles D. Hall, or D, William Hastings? The correct answer is B, Jacob Donner. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.